Class 2 students, welcome to my new session of chapter 8, that is multiplication. So student, multiplication, before starting multiplication, let's see what is this. This is the first question. Let's see what is the question. How many? Add the things in the group to find out. This is a multiplication chapter, but the first question is to add the things. No problem, let's start adding. What is this? Oh my god, they are the lollipops in the group. This is the first group, 2 lollipops, again 2 lollipops, 2 and 2. So they are already saying to add the things, so we can write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Right. So in other language, if I want to read these numbers, so we can say 4 twos. Why 4 twos? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 twos are 8, because when we add these numbers the sum is 8. So we can say that 4 twos. The 4 group are called 4, and in the group there are 2 lollipops, so we can say that 4 twos are 8. Right. Now students, come to the multiplication topic. Multiplication is the repeated addition of a number. We have already proved this. Multiplication is the repeated addition of a number. Right. Symbol of multiplication sign is this cross. This is a symbol of a multiplication sign. And the result of multiplication is called the product. So here 8 is the product. Right student? Okay, suppose students, I have five different type of candies. So how can I write these candies? 5 plus 5, this is equals to 10. I have 10 candies, 5 of different type, 5 of different type. Right. I can also write this 5 plus 5 as 2 multiplied by 5. Why? Because the 5 is repeating 2 times. A number is repeating how many times, we can write on the first place, then put the multiplication sign, and which number is repeating we can write there, equals to 10. So 5 plus 5 is also 10, and we can if I write like 2 multiplied by 5, that is equals to 10. So therefore student, this 5 plus 5 and 2 multiplied 5, they are equal. So this is that's why we are calling multiplication is the repeated addition. Right student? So we say that, how can we read this number? 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Or another language is 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Right? Here 10 is the product of 2 and 5. This times means you are multiplying these two numbers. Times, when the number is written 2 times, it means 2 is multiplying to another number. So here 2 and 5 are multiplying to each other, and the product is 10. Let's take one example to prove all these things again. Write as addition and multiplication. Here few figure is given, one pictures are given here. You have to write as in the first blank, you have to write in addition form, and then you have to convert that addition in the multiplication form. So these are the ice cream sticks are there. So there is a group of three groups. In the previous picture I have a group of 2, but here the group is of 3 ice cream sticks. So let's start writing 3, again plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, and when we add, we know the sum is 12. This is the addition form. And how can you write this in the multiplication form? You have to convert it, and you can write the number of times is repeated, write it here as, and which number is, this is 4 times. 3 is repeating 4 times, write 4 here, and put the multiplication sign, and which number is repeating? 3 is repeating, write 3 here. Again the sum is 12. So this is called addition and multiplication. So again I repeat, multiplication is the repeated addition. Right? Again I'm explaining you the group, the number of things in a group, you can write these numbers as addition sum, and the groups are there are 4 groups, so write 4, and the group number of things in the group you can write in the second place. And this, the first number is called the multiplicand. The first number is called the multiplicand, and the second number is called the multiplier. And the result I already discussed, this result is called the product. So there are three important terms: multiplicand, multiplier, and the product. Multiplicand, the number in which the other number is to be multiplied. Multiplier, the number which is to be multiplied, and the result is called the product. So there are three important terms are also there: multiplicand, multiplier, and the product. So student, next topic is building multiplication table. Building multiplication tables. Tables you already know because you have read about the tables in class 1, but still there is a trick to how to build the multiplication table, and what is the use of these tables. These tables are helpful in learning how the multiplication facts, to learn to multiplication facts, and they are useful in the multiplying two digits, two different numbers. So let's see what is the trick to form the table of 2. And students, for this you need 2 bamboo stick, right, like this. Place 2 bamboo stick at some equal gap, right. After this, student, this is the first step. Take 2 bamboo sticks and put them in the vertical form at some equal distance, right. Now the first thing is to find 2 multiply 1. To find out 2 multiply 1, place 1 stick on the top across the stick like this. Across like this. Fine. Now student, after putting the another stick, now you can count the number of times the bamboo stick meet each other. 2 sticks are like in the vertical form, 1 in the horizontal form. Now you have to count how many times the third bamboo meeting the first 2 bamboos. So how many times? 2 times. So 2 ones are 2, right. Now the third step is, now place 1 more bamboo stick like this, again at some equal gap but horizontal, in the horizontal form. Place 1 more bamboo stick on the top across the 2 sticks, right. Now count the number of times the bamboo stick meet. Again we have to count, but this time we have to count the first 2 also. So how many times the second bamboo along with the first one? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 2s are 2 times 4. This is called 2 times 4. 2 times 2 equals to 4. And for the next 2 times 3 equals to, it means this 2 is the first 2 bamboos, and this 1 the first bamboo, 2 for second bamboo, and 3 for the third bamboo stick. Again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for the 2 times 4 equals to, again count these, now 8. Similarly you can 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right. Now start counting, and in this way it is formed here. You have to put the bamboo sticks till you reach 2 times 10, right. Now you can form the table also. 2, 5, now 2 times 6 equals to, 2 times 7 equals to, 2 times 8 equals to, 2 times 9 equals to, and 2 times 10 equals to. So when I count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this is 10. Now 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So student, in this way you can build any table. This is the table of 2. You can also try this trick for another numbers also and build the table for that number, like 3, 4, 5, 6. And in your syllabus, students, tables 2 to 10 you have to learn, because after learning it's very easy to multiply any 2 numbers. So this is the trick. First make the trick, build the table, and start learning. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4. It's very important to learn all the tables. This is a trick. After using the trick, the table is with you. Start learning, right? Student, I hope you understand what is multiplication, and we also learn how to build the tables, and the multiplication is repeated addition. So students, start using this trick. Make all the tables 2 to 10. This is in your syllabus, and then start learning. Thank you students for this session.